Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a fun brain break tool, or just a fun tool to use in general, called Semi-Conductor. Semi-Conductor is through Google's Chrome experiments, which is an artificial intelligence experiment that Google has created over the years through a partnership with AI developers, designers, and as well as accessibility advocates to give more options for those with disabilities to create artwork, music, and other features. So specifically, what Semi-Conductor allows you to do is to conduct an orchestra using your body, and the computer recognizes your movements and makes music based on how you're moving. So if you go to the Semi-Conductor website, you'll click Start, and it does walk you through a nice little guided tutorial here the first time you use it. And moving up and down changes the tone and the sound level of your music that you're conducting. And then moving your arms across the screen also determines which orchestra group of instruments are going to play. So the first time you use it, you'd have to give it access to use your camera. And once you have put your body to the right shape, then you move your body to the different sides. So that is Semi-Conductor, and it's pretty fun, and you can start over from the beginning if you needed to. So this is just a fun little brain break for your students. And I did notice on mine, if I had it zoomed in on full screen, I couldn't see all of the buttons. So if you zoom it out some, it won't affect your ability to move your body and pick up on sounds, but you'll see more of the buttons. All right, so I hope that is a fun one for you, and let us know how you use this with your students.